Hello, hello, hello. I bet you're wondering why it is that I'm sitting here with a scarf on. I'm in Arizona. I'm in East Phoenix. It's like 110 degrees outside. Well, I'll tell you why. Those of you who follow me on Facebook know that I had an Etsy shop that I closed down a while back due to health reasons because I couldn't keep up with things. And I'm getting ready to open it back up. And so today I'm wearing some of my earrings, which I'll put a picture of in the shot so you can see those a little bit better. And then I'm wearing a scarf that is one of my artsy wool scarves. Yes, yes. So I stuck my hair up so it didn't get in the way today. But, Mackie D, what do you think?
Yeah, it's cool.
You like it?
I'm amazed you can do that stuff.
Oh, well, that's because you're just biased. So I'm going to take this off here in a minute, but I wanted to explain a little bit first. I started weaving when I was really young and crocheting, and I don't really do traditional crochet. I never have, but I did like crocheting rugs. My dad was a preacher, and the ladies from the church used to get these big grocery bags full of fabric strips from old clothes and stuff that they would give me, and I had this big wooden crochet hook. I was just in heaven. I just loved it, loved it, loved it. And I later got into looming as a part of me just doing a lot of art. And my grandmother had the big, big loom that took up part of the room, I remember, as a kid. And I used to love to just hang around her loom, even when she wasn't weaving. This big floor loom, it was massive. And I just remember as a kid just going, gosh, that's so cool. I knew I'd never have one of those because I knew I'd never have the patience to have one of those. And I knew I'd never have the room, more than likely, to have one of those big looms. But I always wanted a really nice, proper loom. So, what's coming up in a few days, Mackie Doo?
Birthday. How old? I was gonna be 64.
64. Ah! I don't know how I got here.
You look marvelous.
Oh, you're just biased.
You don't have to feel marvelous, but you look marvelous.
You're just goofy. You see what you want to see. I know what I look like. I look in the mirror every day. Hi, Grandma. That's what I look like. Hi, Grandma Jacobs. So anyway, I got this present for my birthday. I got an Ashford 32-inch Heddle Loom. And I'm going to put a picture of it in the video for you. A couple of pictures of it so you can actually see it in my studio and then see what it looks like. And I'll put a link down below also. For you if you want to look it up. What I want to say on this is that this thing is amazing, and I am so happy that I got it, that I can actually weave beautiful pieces like this. And I'm going to actually take this off. I made mine very long, and the reason for that is I wanted to be able to loop it over like you just saw me wearing it. But I did this whole scarf. I have recycled and scrap fabric, new, but you know, scrap fibers here. And I did this whole thing in like 6 hours, and it's really long, like really, really long. But I just wanted to kind of show you, oh gosh, this thing, oh, so soft. Oh my goodness. I just wanted to show you. I'm going to just put it up like this and kind of move it around so you can see some of it. And I'm going to turn it over so you can see some more. And I'll be putting these in my Etsy shop. I'll be making more of these. This one is kind of called for. I get to keep this one for myself and kind of use it as my show off. Here's what I can do, sort of dealy pop. But I wanted to kind of fill you in on this. And one of the reasons why, let's just stick it over there for now. One of the reasons why is I really believe that being able to express yourself however you choose to do that, whether it's artistically, writing, sports, the clothes you wear, however you do that, even your hair, makeup, whatever, that it's really important to express yourself as part of who you are. So I'm an artsy girl, and even though I lived most of my life as a psychologist and have numerous degrees and all that stuff, which really doesn't matter much to me. It matters to other people. It doesn't matter much to me. But my real, true, deep love is just being able to do things like this. So retirement is ahead soon for hubby. I've been retired for a while, but I will be making many more of these, along with many other cool items that I hope you like, for my Etsy shop. And I don't have it back in order just yet, but as soon as I have that in order, I'll be letting you guys know. But I wish you could feel this. Mackie do?
I wish never mind.
What?
It looks like a serape when you throw it over your shoulder.
I know, it does, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Olay!
There's like 8 different ways I found that you can wear this, and I'm not going to go through them all here because I'm sure you all know how to wear scarves. But, if you could just feel how luscious and soft this is. So now I'm like tempted to make like a bedspread or something. But I want to emphasize the 32-inch Heddle Loom. The Ashford, for me, works great. It's really easy to warp. It's really easy to take off. It's just simple. And it doesn't take a lot of time. I remember my grandmother warping her loom was like days, literally days. I think I warped that loom to make this long scarf in, well, my first time around was about an hour, but I can see now that I know how to do it and I'm experienced at doing it. You only need to just do it one time till you just get it, maybe 20-30 minutes total. And I have just used just a plain black wool yarn for my warp. So the 32-inch is important, and I'll tell you why. Unless you plan to just do nothing but small projects, like you could do the scarf on a smaller loom, absolutely. And they do have smaller looms. There's Cricut, Ashford, there's different ones. You could do that, but then you are limited to that size. So I took the advice of other weavers that I listened carefully to, who wanted to clarify that they felt the only real mistake they made when they bought their loom was they didn't buy the 32-inch. They bought like a 24 or like a 16 or a 10. And then that's it. They're around $200. This one I paid a little bit more because I got the full kit, so I think I paid $240 so I could have extra heddles and things like that. And I will put the link below that I found where I got mine. So I just want to say that if you do plan to be doing any kind of a Heddle Loom, I really suggest the Ashford. I really like it. It's great to work on. It's just fab. And you can do just about anything with it. You're pretty much unlimited. And yeah, go for the 32-inch because then you're not limited at all. You can make your own fiber, cut it, whatever. And I will be doing like 1 yard of fiber for purchase also in the Etsy shop. So I just want to fill you guys in and just say that it's pretty important to express yourself. It's part of your health and beauty, I believe, because your soul needs art. So till next time, love yourselves, take good care of each other, and if you have not subscribed, go down below there and click that little button and subscribe, and then click the little bell beside it, and then you'll get notified when I do new videos. And to all the new subscribers, I don't know where you guys came from, but thank you so much. You guys just sort of flooded in here the last few days, and I don't know what happened to make that happen, but whatever it was, thank you, and I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.